for Lincoln William Mora. Candidate number 4, Miss Ana Rose Campanet. Candidate number 5, Miss Jelly May Curiana. lovely swimsuits, but also because of the very challenge it represents to walk in heels in the first place.
That is right. Of course, murag sa mainit Mariano ni hulog ko na mauwan.
Thanks to these ladies, I'd have to say. So, daghang salamat ninyo. My goodness, the swimsuit competition isn't just a test of physical beauty. It's also a chance for our judges to examine their physical fitness and how well they sit in their skin, or walk rather.
And I think you know, basing on experience, how hard it is to be on stage in your swimsuits together with your heels.
You know what? It helps to be surrounded by familiar faces. In fact, back in 2017, I competed in Being Cebu 2017 in the National Costume Competition, and I brought home the Best in National Costume Award right here in the Cabecera de Aragao.
Wow.
So having familiar
in your
faces.
own hometown.
Yes, because I was representing another town, but I was looking at the faces of the ones I love the most.
Of course, there's no place like home.
Of course, there's no place like home. But you know what makes victories even sweeter? Some special awards.
That is right, Maria. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to give out our special, the first set of minor awards for tonight, starting with Miss Congeniality. And I love this award, Maria, because this is the only award that our candidates get to vote themselves. And let's see who the candidate has made the most impact in the lives of her fellow candidates with her.
The size and the heart of the candidate which wins Miss Friendship. And you know, legend has it that the one who wins Miss Friendship is actually the biggest threat in the competition. Well, it's because she has it all. She's a total package, right?
I'll take note of that. I guess some of our judges who are competing or representing the Philippines, pag binuutan mo ba yun?
Pag binuutan mo.
All right, we start with Miss Congeniality, and of course, our Miss Congeniality is candidate number.
Candidate number 5, Miss Jayla May Coriel. Miss Jayla May Coriel. Once again, congratulations, candidate number 5. You are this year's Miss Argao, Miss Friendship Award. To give the award for Miss Congeniality, let us welcome the owner of the Cabecera Cafe, Mrs. Isa Stephanie Lagayed, the owner of Argao Discovery Land Corporation, Mrs. Mira Thelma Almerante, and the owner of Villegas Law Office, Attorney Jonathan Villegas. Congratulations to our Miss Friendship, candidate number 5, Miss Jayla May. Wow! 2 more awards to go, ladies and gentlemen. Our next award is Miss Photogenic. All the ladies gave their best projections, making themselves visually appealing. But of course, only one of them caught the attention of those whose unquestionable expertise behind the lens is built on. Miss Photogenic is...
Candidate number... Miss Photogenic is candidate number 14, Dorothy Balaez.
To award Miss Photogenic, please welcome Miss Angela Claire Almerante, Mrs. Shema Almerante, the owner of Oach Torta, and the Councilor Nicole Alberca, the owner of Alberca Gas Station and Consumer Goods Training. And bringing the picture with the frame, we have Honorable Attorney Annabelle Almerante.
Congratulations to our Miss Photogenic candidate number 14, Dorothy Balaez.
One more special award left to go. The next award is given to the lady who passed the Matlapi People's Standards, who has garnered the greatest number of votes, and this is the best moment to find out who the
Our People's Choice Award is candidate number. Candidate number 2. Mary Yvonne Durant.
To give the People's Choice Award, we have Honorable Alex Pearl de la Peña and Honorable Jack Lucero Bacasio. Congratulations to the recipient of our People's Choice Award, and of course, our 3 winners for our special awards for this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big, big round of applause, because in just a few moments, we're going to be finding out who our top 5 candidates are. Congratulations, ladies. You did amazing in your swimsuits tonight.
Of course, our beautiful celebration tonight would not be possible without our generous sponsors. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite everyone to set your eyes on our screens as our beautiful ladies visited our generous sponsors. Let's all watch this.